Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout New Vegas on your Chromebook. Many people believe this popular role-playing game is only for traditional computers, but that is not true. With a few straightforward steps, you can dive into the Mojave Wasteland from your portable device. We will cover two primary methods, ensuring you find the best fit for your setup. Get ready to experience hundreds of hours of adventure, exploration, and decision-making, all from your Chromebook. Cloud gaming offers the most straightforward path to playing Fallout New Vegas. Services such as Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce now stream the game directly to your Chromebook's browser. This means the heavy lifting is done on powerful remote servers, requiring only a strong internet connection from your end. Aim for a connection speed of at least 25 megabits per second for smooth, high-quality streaming. A good controller will make your journey through the wasteland much more immersive and enjoyable. For a more native experience, you can enable Linux Beta on your Chromebook. This feature, also known as Christini, creates a secure virtual machine where you can install traditional desktop applications. Once Linux is set up, you can install Steam and then download Fallout New Vegas. You will likely need to use a compatibility layer like Proton, which helps Windows games run smoothly on Linux. This method offers greater control and potentially better performance, especially if your Chromebook has ample processing power and memory. To optimize your Fallout New Vegas experience, especially with cloud gaming, ensure you close any unnecessary browser tabs or applications. This frees up valuable system resources and bandwidth. For Linux users, having at least 8 GB of RAM is highly recommended for smoother performance. An external mouse and keyboard can also greatly enhance your precision and comfort during gameplay. With these methods, you are now equipped to enjoy the rich narrative and expansive world of Fallout New Vegas on your Chromebook. Happy adventuring!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.